guys, welcome to her delicious cooking. So as you can see right here, I am literally making some steak cubes. I'm not making that many steak cubes, but I am making some steak cubes. And I already added some seasoning in here. I added some Himalayan seasoning, pink salt. It has garlic and black pepper, which is really good to make the cube steaks more tender. Now I'm gonna add my garlic, my minced garlic, my chopped minced garlic, which is really great for the cube steaks. I didn't make that much cube steak because I'm just gonna put like 2 teaspoons. Yeah, 2 scoops actually. I just put as I go. Yeah, so after I add that in there, I'm gonna add my cilantro base. Okay, the cilantro base works really well on here because I tried it and it kind of, I'm just gonna put like 1 scoop. Yeah, the cilantro base. It works really great on the cube steaks because it makes it really tender. All the ingredients in here makes it tender. Okay, you guys, I'm not a salt eater. Okay, now I'm gonna add some sofrito. Yes, I put sofrito on my cube steak. I love sofrito. Oh my goodness, I'm so obsessed with sofrito. So what I'm gonna do here is just mix up everything together, the cube steaks together. This is actually 1 pack. I didn't necessarily see how much pound of it is, but I'm gonna go and look and I'll let you guys know. But yeah, this is 1 pack. This is only for me and my son. Unfortunately, yeah, because this is what me and my son have a taste for. So this is pretty good. I love it. I always let it marinate together because it works really great together. I do put a little bit of, no, I don't need no seasoned salt because I already used that with the Himalayan salt or whatever. Yeah, so I mix that together. I let that marinate. I already have the rice on stove, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am back. Okay, now we are in front of my pan. I know you guys wanted to know where did I get my pan set. This pan set is the Martha Stewart pan set, which works really great. I love it. I love the Martha Stewart pan set. It works really well. So yeah, we're gonna add some now I'm gonna add the beef cubes inside of here, but I love to put my garlic butter. And yes, I know the beef have oil in it. I already know. I know, you guys, but I'm a fat eater. Okay, and I love my garlic butter. It's so good. This is my garlic herb butter. I love it on everything, and it gives the meat such flavor, and it's delicious, and I love it. Okay, I added to my shrimps. I added to my my beef as well. Okay, yes, I do because I love garlic butter. Okay, so I know you guys are gonna pop your junk in the chat, the comment section. All right, so we're gonna add that up in there. All right, you guys, and then now I'm gonna start adding my beef inside. You see how that sofrito already soaked up in there? Yeah, so we're gonna add that up in there. I want to make sure I'm not. Yeah, I'm gonna add the beef inside of there. Sorry you guys, I know I covered the camera, but we're gonna add that sofrito up in there. We're gonna scrape everything that's inside. Okay, we're gonna scrape everything that's inside to make this really good, because we need all of our seasonings. Okay, I don't know if this pan is a little bit too big, but I really don't care. I like my meats to be spread out. I was supposed to make 2 packs, but I forgot to defrost the other pack of cube steaks, which is okay because I'm making some shrimps as well. So we're actually having cube steaks and shrimp, okay, with some basmati rice and some veggies, of course. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let that cook. All right, you guys, I'm going to let that simmer up together and cook together, and I'm going to put the top over it. All right, and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, I am back. So I'm just going to take this top off of here, and we're going to see what's actually going on with the beef. Okay. Well, the pan was a little bit too big, folks, which is okay. I like it. You see how it's making its own juices and everything with the cube steaks, which I love it. All right. I was supposed to, like I said, I was supposed to make 2 packs, but I didn't. So we didn't need that much beef anyway. Okay, so yeah. All right, so it's making its own juice. This is looking really good. So we're gonna let this cook some more. All right, I like how the juice is like really blending in with the rest of the cubes. Okay, so we're gonna add this cover. I love ceramic pans. They always hold the juice in. Okay, you always get more. So I'm gonna put the top back on and I will be right back. You guys, I'm back again. Let's see what the beef is actually doing here. Okay, so the beef is actually cooking. I added some what did I add in here? I added some herb leaves, organic basil. Okay, so these are the organic basil. I added some basil in here. I didn't get to film me adding it, but yeah, I had it when I took a little break. But I just added some basil in here. That's the green stuff that you see, which is the basil. So I'm gonna let these cubes just cook a little bit more. Like I said, I only made enough for me and my son because we don't need that much beef because I'm already cooking some shrimps as well. We're gonna have some shrimp. Okay, so yeah, I just add some basil. So yeah, we're just gonna let all of that just simmer, let them cubes just cook up in there and just marinate. You see how this is Angus beef. This is 1 pound of the Angus beef. Okay. The sauce is really good. So I have everything cooking on number 2 and I will be right back. Here we go. This beef has been cooking for a minute now. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna like stir it up a little bit, you know, get some of those juices in there. Okay, this cube is already done, you guys. I don't want to like overcook it. You get what I'm saying? I don't want to overcook it. So this is already good. I love all the oils, like I said. I love the fat juice. All right. Now I'm going to add me some mushroom gravy. Okay, I'm gonna add the mushroom gravy into this. This is really delicious. I didn't make the homemade gravy myself, but I love to do this with the Heinz homemade style gravy. This is mushroom, and when I tell you this is delicious, it's really good. So we're gonna take a short route, and yeah, I'm gonna actually stir this in there. And I know you guys are like, ew, she got sofrito on there, but sofrito is actually peppers. You guys got to remember, sofrito is just red peppers, green peppers, and all of that. It's herbs, so I can add that into the mushroom sauce. You get what I'm saying? So what I'm going to do is stir this up and just let that marinate in there. Doesn't that look delicious? Okay. So this is the mushroom sauce. I wish I would have cooked my other pack of beef, but it was frozen. So yeah, I got a lot of gravy, which works out better because I have the white rice. And yeah, we don't need that much beef anyway. And we're gonna have shrimps with it, so yeah. So yeah, I know this is a lot of gravy, but excelente. Okay, so we're gonna let that marinate up in there. And I will see you guys soon. Bye. Well, actually, yeah, I'm gonna see you guys soon. But don't forget to subscribe to you. Don't forget to subscribe to your girl, Her Delicious Cooking, and yeah, connect with me for more cooking tips and Her Delicious Cooking tips. And yeah, you hear that sizzling? Wow! You already know what it is. You already know what it is when it starts sizzling. You guys, look at that. Look at that, it's already sizzling and getting together, and you know, the herbs, the spices, everything is just going to go great. This is mushroom gravy. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to Her Delicious Cooking and connect with your girl, Her Delicious, okay? And I will see you guys soon. Bye. Okay, you guys, let's check up on this beef right now. Look at this beef, it's looking delicious. Look how that gravy just, you know, stuck together, and yeah. Look at that gravy. Isn't that delicious? That's the mushroom gravy. It looks so good, you guys. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed Her Delicious Cooking. I really try my best, you know, to create my great recipes, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm just being organic with it, and I hope you guys love my channel. And don't forget to subscribe, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to Her Delicious. I would love to see I have at least I would love to see that I have at least 1,000 subscribers, but yeah, not to be a pest. But I hope you guys enjoy delicious cooking, and yeah, I see you guys soon. Bye.